In the previous class, we have discussed about the lesson 7, class 7, the lesson 1, food component. In the topic, we have discussed about the test for fats and test for proteins. Here, today's topic, what type of food is required to keep us healthy? What type of the food we have to take to be healthy? Here, generally, every food item contains all the components of food, but some components may be more while some may be less. We require different quantities of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats according to the age and need of individual. Here, the quantity of carbohydrate and protein depends upon our age. Growing children and the adolescent need more proteins containing food like milk, meat, and the pulses. Here, the growing children and the adolescent require more amount of the proteins. Where we find the protein, then we'll get the protein from the food like milk, meat, and the pulses. We also need minute quantity of some other components. What are those components which we require in the minute quantity? That is vitamins and the minerals to keep us healthy. More amount we required, that is proteins and the carbohydrates. When you see the less amount we required vitamins and the minerals here. Here, what are roughage? In what way are they useful to us? Now see, what is roughage then? What are the roughage? They are the some components of food that are necessary for our body called roughage or dietary fibers. Here our body required some components of food that are necessary, that is called roughage or dietary fiber. Vegetables like ribbed gourd, bunch beans, lady's finger, or some boiled sweet potatoes, etc. are roughage. Now, roughage are the necessary food components. Then where we find that food components? Then here you will find in the vegetables like ribbed gourd, bunch beans, lady's finger, and the boiled sweet potato. Roughage are a kind of carbohydrate that our body fails to digest. What is roughage then? Roughage is a kind of carbohydrate that our body unable to digest. It fails to digest. They help in free bowel movement in the digestive tract and prevent constipation. Here, roughage help in the free bowel movement in the digestive tract and the prevent constipation. Here, why we require roughage? Roughage is a fibrous substance which clean our digestive tract. That's why we are calling it as a free bowel movement in the digestive tract and prevent constipation. If you don't excrete the waste material in the morning, then you are going to face the problems. So to get rid of that constipation problem, you have to take a large amount of the fibrous fruits and the vegetables. Here, that is the roughage, right? What is the function of the roughage here? Free bowel movement. Then here, now see, what is a roughage? It is a component of food, and where you will find in the ribbed gourd, bunch beans, and the lady's finger, and boiled sweet potato. What is a roughage then? Roughage is a kind of carbohydrate which our body fails to digest. What is the function of the roughage then? It is a free bowel movement in the digestive tract. And what it prevents? It prevents from constipation. Right? Here, why should we eat fruits with peels? What should be done before eating them? Then here, why we are eating the fruits with peels? What is the necessary then? What is the requirement? Generally, we have a habit of eating some fruits without peels, right? Some of the fruits like banana, we'll eat removing the peels. Here, we eat banana without peel, but fruits like apple, grapes, sapota are eaten along with the peels. Here, some of the fruits we are eating without peel and some of the fruits we are taking with the peels. The most of the vegetables are also used along with peels. Sometimes we make some special dishes like chutney etc. with peels. As you know, chutney is prepared along with the peels only, right? So don't peel or discard outer layer of the fruit or vegetable. They are rich in nutrients, right? Here whatever the peel we are taking, they are rich in nutrient. So don't peel all the vegetables. Here you can see the most of the peels contain the rich in nutrient. Here peels contain fiber which help in digestion. Not only the nutrients are rich in the peel, but also the peel contain the fiber which help in the digestion. But nowadays farmer use many pesticides in the field. Then here one of the problem arises, as we know, the farmers are using pesticides. Then we can't eat the peels now because the peels consist of the outer layer of the fruits and the vegetables are covered with the pesticide which is harmful to our health. But here they are very dangerous for our health. So we must wash fruits and vegetables with salt water thoroughly. Then to get rid of that pesticide, what we have to do? We have to wash the vegetables and the fruits with the salt water. Which water? Salt water thoroughly. Then only it becomes safe to eat them along with the peels. Right? The peels are good in nutrient and also it contain fiber which help in the digestion. Now, as the pesticides are removed by washing with the salt water thoroughly, then we can eat the peels. Now, it is safe to eat. Right?